Okay guys, Tony here, and what you can see here is a brand new tool. It's called KGR, AllInTitle tool. Okay, this is KGR, means keywords golden ratio, which is a strategy from a guy called Doug Cunnington. Doug has this strategy that we're looking for keywords that don't have a lot of AllInTitle competition, okay, and he has some kind of a ratio, some kind of calculation that you can get using a free tool that he provides. But the missing piece was being able to do the AllInTitle in bulk. You would have to go and do it one at a time. Alternatively, there is another tool that you can use that costs money. You have to pay for credits. So I got this built to use as a bonus for some promotions that we got coming up, and you can see it's working quite well. Now we have put in here some delays automatically, kind of random automatic delays as well. Okay, so we've got some delays so that we don't get flagged by Google too much. This is likely to use up some captures, quite a few capture credits for you to be able to use this. We have randomized the time delay in some of the searches as well. We've done that deliberately so that we can try and minimize the amount of captures being used. And we've also put some kind of cookie caching in here as well to try and minimize the amount of captures being used as well. So it's actually been quite well thought out from the technical point of view from our coders. So this, you can see it's working fine. It's not going to be the fastest tool in the world, but it cannot be. Because it's just going to flag, we're using browser control, it's just going to flag Google otherwise. So you can put on bulk keywords in here and just leave it and let it do what it needs to do, okay? And come back after you've made a cup of coffee or something like that, and you'll find some good keywords that you can find that are going to be very, very easy to rank for. Now Doug does have a calculator within the Google Sheet. The missing part of that is that you need to put the AllInTitle results in that calculator, that Google Sheet calculator, and that was the sort of hard part of the whole strategy, because you would have to do that manually one by one. Okay, now you don't need to do that. You can just export this and you can just copy and paste it in there, and so that you can get that golden keyword ratio calculated for you instantly in that sheet. And this is doing all the heavy lifting that you would have had to do manually otherwise. Okay, so nice little tool, good little tool to add to your collection. How would you use it? Think about ecom, think about Amazon, have a look on Fiverr.com. Seriously, have a look on Fiverr.com. Let's just go and have a look over there right now actually, and you will see, you can see here, this is niche site project. You can go over here, I'll put the link underneath this video. Okay, and when you go over here, you will see a pop-up where you can get access to his Google Sheet. Now if I just go into Fiverr.com, just quickly go in here, Fiverr.com, and we're going to put in KGR. What you will find is there's people selling this service because they're doing this manually for this bulk keyword research, which people don't want to do. So they're paying, you can see there's like 2 pages worth of these gigs. It's become really popular. Why has it become popular? Because it just works. Okay, so if you're doing anything like niche sites for AdSense, for Amazon affiliate products, or if you're doing some Amazon FBA stuff where you're selling Amazon products yourself and not as an affiliate, that will be, this is golden. This is real good information. Okay, massively important to be able to drive traffic immediately, because you don't need backlinks. This is, that's what it's all about, when we can get traffic, and it's targeted traffic as well. So when you're looking at product names and stuff like that, when you're looking at product types, this can be really hugely important. Okay, and you can see these guys are charging good money as well. If we just open a couple of these up, the more popular ones here, we'll try. Let's see if we can sort it by the best sellers. And we can have a look at the most common gigs that are selling. This one's got 15 buyers, this one's got 24 buyers. There's 2 pages of this in Fiverr.com. That's how popular it's become. Okay, my computer's slowing down here, so I'll just try and do the best I can with this. Just quickly. And so what you can see here, the basic one is for 10 keywords, he's charging $10. Over here, if you get 50 keywords, it's $45. You can see this is still very, very popular. People are paying this kind of money. Let's have a look at the next one. He's charging 15 keywords for $10. Okay, go over there. 35 keywords for $25. And this has got 22 reviews so far. Let's see what else we got in here. It's the same one again, I think. This one, 35 for $25. Let's go have a look at another one. And this is all they're doing. They're doing this part manually. So here you got 10 for $20, and here premium $75 for 40. Okay, you can find these really easy now, guys. You don't need to pay that kind of money for this, because we can use the tool that is given from Doug himself, and all you need to do is fill in blanks, which you're able to do now with this tool being able to automate it all for you. Okay, so just okay, here we are. So here we can see AllInTitle. We can sort it by the AllInTitle. Some of these we don't have because they're not showing any competition at all. So you can use these. Okay, and all the way down here you can go from sort of 0 and go as far as probably about 400, 500. I would go, but he has his own ratio in here. So you want to make sure that you don't have any competition. I think it's over about 250. Not the search volume should be 250 per month. And let's see what his volume title is. Just see if I can find it by doing the search in here. Okay, so here it is. Basically, if you have a KGR of 0.25, this is using this calculation tool. Okay, so what you need to do is you're going to look for keywords that have got less search volume than 250 per month, and you end up with about 63 AllInTitle results. Okay, 63 or less AllInTitle results. Then this is really good keyword for you to be able to rank for. This seems to be working. A lot of people have been testing this. Okay, so here we would take down to this part here. Most of us are probably going to go a little bit higher because we can. But this is going to tell you if I want to write an article about AllInTitle keywords, or for this tool, if I just want to put it on a sales page, I'm going to include all of these words down to about 150 or something like that, just to get them in there. It doesn't mean I'm not going to use the more high searched words. Of course I am. Okay, of course I am, but we want to be able to rank for these ones first, so we're going to make sure that we include them, so we're getting traffic straight away. Then the user behaviors signals will kick in. Okay, what do I mean by that? The interaction, whether there's comments on the site, are people doing social sharing, are people spending time on that particular page? Okay, so Google can tell if it's sending people from the search engine over to your page, if they're staying on your page. Okay, and this is a user behavior signal, then Google's going to start to rank you higher. Okay, if people are bouncing off straight away, then they are not. So these are very, very good for building up those user behavior signals so that Google can rank you for more competitive keywords. That's a strategy we will get into. So anybody who gets this as a bonus for some promos that we have coming up, then there will be extra strategy training where we go through that kind of stuff. So that's it for now. Okay, kind of struggle to get through that because I'm staring at a brand new tool and trying to coordinate my thoughts at the same time. Anyway, thanks for your patience, and I hope you got some value from this great little tool. Really pleased that we've finally got this. I've been asking for it for such a long time, and I'm so glad that we've got it. Perfect. Okay, use it and get results. Use it for YouTube tags as well. This is perfect for YouTube tags as well, I meant to say. So if you're going for a competitive keyword, use these as the tags that will get you traffic straight away. And tags in YouTube can get you ranking in YouTube, which can get you a lot of traffic, and also can get you a lot of traffic from suggested video as well. Perfect for this kind of thing. Okay, see you later. Thanks.